Good morning, good morning, good morning. I'm out in the garden and today I want to tackle my fountain. My fountain, I haven't started this year because it's not collecting water. I have a stopper, but the stopper is has a slight hole in it. So I'm going to disassemble the fountain and add a sealant, and I'll show you exactly what I have purchased to do the job. So let's get started. So I went to my local Home Depot and I picked up this construction seal. Uh, I think it was like $7. So I'm going to seal the plug and allow it to dry for 24 hours and come back tomorrow and see if I can actually fill water in the base of the fountain without losing the collection of water. So now I need to disassemble the fountain. Here we go. If you look down, you can see there is a plug there, but there's still room there's wiggle room in here. So I'm just going to seal this around the plug, allow it to dry for 24 hours, and come back out tomorrow and check to see if it can hold the collection of water. Okay, so I have the sealant inside of the base of the fountain. I'll let that dry overnight. There's no forecast for rain. I'll come back tomorrow and give it a try. Okay, so it's day 2. Good morning to you. I'm on my way over to check on the fountain with my cup of coffee. It's early morning to see if the seal has worked, and then I'm going to reassemble the fountain. So here we are. I had a sip of coffee. Put that down for a second. Reach in. Let's see. Oh yeah, it's real hard. It could probably go another day. There is a little elasticity right here, but overall, I think that should work. So I'm going to reassemble the pump. Let's see if I can get this in focus. I did bring out some putty, plumber's putty. I have it in plastic to keep it from drying out, but it's plumber's putty. So once I get the pump assembled, at the very top, and I may use this to seal the tubing that goes through the top of the finial to make sure that it doesn't leak back down inside of the fountain. So here we go. I stepped away because I want to grab some putty just to go at the base of the second tier. And I'm just going to let this sit at the base. I'm going to turn it upside down. Let's see if I can do this. And just place the putty right over top. And then run the tubing right up through the center. Just pierce a little hole right there. Pierce a little hole. This concrete piece is very heavy, so bear with me. Bring it up just a little bit more. I have 2 tiers on. I'm going to add just a little bit more putty around the top. I'm just going to roll it out like Play-Doh and go around the center in the center. Pull the finial through the top. I'm going to grab some tweezers to pull the tubing up through the top. I'll be right back. Okay, so I didn't find the tweezers or the pinch no pliers, so I'm using my scissors. I'm using my small. Okay, it's early in the morning. I just had my coffee. Anyway, I'm using these to pull it through. The piece is right there. I have just a little bit more putty. I'm going to make it real thin, and then I'm going to balance it out all the way around the tubing so it's centered. Let's try even thinner. I may not need all of it. I know I don't need all of it, but snake it around just to give it a little more balance. I'm going to break it off there and go over on the other side. Okay, so I didn't use all of the putty, but I believe I have it secured enough. So I didn't use all the putty. I'll stick this back inside of my container. I'm going to allow that to dry for another day. And I'm just looking at the focus of the finial. It looks like it's a little crooked, so I'm going to balance it out off camera, and I'll come back with the final results. Okay, so it looks balanced. Okay, so it looks balanced. This is early. It's like 6 o'clock. So early morning. I have some running around to do today. And late this afternoon, I'll just double check to see not if the sealant is hardened, but the putty. And then tomorrow morning, hopefully, I can start my fountain. I hope you're having a wonderful day. Thank you for watching my video. Please like, share, and subscribe. And as always, happy gardening.